ThunderMag is the sleekest magnetic adapter, which is a Thunderbolt 3 companion reinvented. ThunderMag is the world's fastest data transmission design, which operates at 40 Gbps transmission speeds and provides the most stable and secure data exchange environment. ThunderMag makes plugging easy and gives you access to the emerging standard for charging and transferring data. It also gives seamless distraction when the power cable is pulled from its socket. The detachable magnetic adapter is easily fitted into devices and the cable simply snaps on. Portable, compact, and high-speed design make an ideal product for all users. Its metallic finish fits perfectly with the Apple aesthetics. Protect your device sockets from wear and tear of daily use. Eliminate excessive scratches of USB socket and short circuits. Designed for adaptability, ThunderMag has the perfect balance of shape and magnetic power, remaining attached for various uses. ThunderMag increases maximum power delivery up to 100 watts. Safety is top consideration. Each pin of the ThunderMag is tested by an electric heating test, which leaves no danger to charging devices. Provides stable and safe power charging without devices being overheated. Strong magnet, blind suction connection, and automatic alignment makes charging more stable and convenient. The ThunderMag can be attached with one hand, easily charging your devices. The cord gently disconnects when disturbed in accordance with the MagSafe design. Protect your charging port from dust or wear. ThunderMag is compatible with all devices that have a USB-C connector. From smartphones through USB-C hubs and docks to the latest MacBooks. With strong magnetic absorption, a low-profile connector with reversible 24-pin design simplifies the connection. It supports 100 watts fast power charge and high-speed 4K, 5K video and audio data transmissions of up to 40 Gbps. We strive to make ThunderMag meet the highest standards of production. Our suppliers and design collaborators bring their professional experience working with Apple to ensure ThunderMag achieves the best quality and meets the highest safety standards. Make a pledge to help us make ThunderMag a reality.
The latest Apple MacBook Air and MacBook Pro are great, but lack popular connectivity ports, and higher internal storage capacity options are expensive. The innovative Minix Neo Storage Pro increases the storage capacity and brings back support for the ports missing from the Apple MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. Simply connect Minix Neo Storage Pro and take advantage of included HDMI 4K at 60 Hz, Thunderbolt 3 and USB 3.0 ports. The Thunderbolt 3 port supports display output, data transfer, and power delivery. Minix Neo Storage Pro provides easy access to your data and content, ideal for storing 4K videos and photos. Be amazed by lightning fast data transfers. Minix Neo Storage Pro supports simultaneous dual display output via the HDMI and Thunderbolt 3 ports.
Our smartphone. We use it daily, on average 85 times and up to 5 hours per day. During this time, Google, Apple, Samsung, and others are watching us. What would happen if technology were simple? If we could just type what we want to know or want to share with others. If we could just do what we want to do without having to select one of the countless apps to do it. If our smartphone could understand us like a friend and know what we want or need. If we could be free to have time to think about what really matters without being distracted by constant notifications. If we could maintain an overview and be free of many apps and cloud services. What would happen if technology were secure? If we could decide individually with whom we want to share which parts of our lives. If we could talk freely and get all the information we want without censorship or classification. If we could just go wherever we want without being tracked and profiled.
That is what the Volaphone wants for you. Technology that is simple and secure. We're on a new path.
With a simple gesture, you can get to Springboard, no matter what app you might be using. Just start to write and the Volaphone recognizes what you want. To write a message to a contact, make a call, plan an appointment, or capture a good idea. The Springboard not only has an autocomplete function for the text you type, adjusts to the name of your contact, but it also recognizes the respective function. If you want to send a message, close a call, set up an appointment, or write a note. For many reoccurring functions, you can call up a shortcut on the Springboard with a simple gesture. For example, to capture a special moment with a photo or to retrieve frequent needed information. Without any detours, you can find those groups of people that you contact frequently or the latest messages from respective sources all in one location. The Volaphone provides security and protects your privacy even with its highly intuitive and intelligent functionalities. The unique Vola OS can live without a cloud, without being controlled by Google Apps and Play services, completely independent of the iCloud. It is based on open source software, which means it can be checked at any time by you and a community of developers and users. You don't need a Vola account. The Volaphone does not ask you to follow any rules, nor does it collect your data.
The Volaphone is pre-programmed for peace of mind, for your security and your privacy, the very first time you turn it on. Among other things, it comes with a pre-configured VPN, a virtual private network that allows you to surf anonymously on the internet.
The Volaphone combines simplicity of the use of the noble, purest design, security, and robust surface with high-quality workmanship. On the inside, a state-of-the-art 8-core processor guarantees a seamless user interface. A dual camera on the back and a 16-megapixel camera on the front will capture high-quality images of the best moments of your life. Wireless charging of the battery is a given for ultimate user comfort. The Volaphone, be free. Free through simplicity and security in both hardware and software. Quality made in Germany.
We look at our pocket-sized screen 80 times daily, taking up an average of more than 5 hours per day. Research has shown this has a huge impact on our mental health, sleep, and productivity. It's not all bad though. Smartphones have brought huge benefits into our lives. The question we at Unplug therefore asked ourselves is,
how can we help you find a balance between the useful functionality of your smartphone and the distractions it inevitably brings along?
That's how we arrived at our solution, Unplug. It enables you to decide when to transform your Android phone into a distraction-free device.
Unplug works as your home screen. By selecting your Unplug apps, you have the power to decide which apps to show when unplugged. If you now remove the USB key, the custom launcher displays only your Unplug apps and notifications of all other apps will be blocked. This transforms your phone into a useful tool without distractions. Yet, when you plug the Unplug key back in, you will have the functionality of your entire phone back, and previously blocked notifications will be shown.
Unplug helps you to regain control over your smartphone usage, enables you to focus without distraction, and gives you time for the meaningful things in life.
We all know how it feels when someone we're talking to is looking at their phone instead of you. With Unplug, you can now enjoy the conversation without the urge to quickly check what the buzz in your pocket might have been. You'll finally be able to focus on your work, undisturbed by notifications. Now, after a long day of focused work, you feel like you deserve watching some YouTube videos. This time, you make a conscious decision to plug the Unplug key back in.
At Unplug, we believe you should control technology, instead of technology controlling you.
We refined the product through multiple prototypes and did extensive user tests.
Now we need your help to be able to produce the Unplug key. Together, we can fight digital distractions.
Unplug distraction. Plug into life.
We dream of effortless connectivity. We crave cutting-edge technology, crafted to perfection, and always one step forward. Smooth and compact, innovative but simple. However, sometimes minor details are overlooked. Yet with this new creation, we've come closer to an ideal. This is Tuin, the world's thinnest MacBook charger with integrated Type-C hub, replacing the bulky Mac power adapter and all its dongles. Tuin has 2 USB ports, 2 different sized SD and memory card slots, a USB-C port and an HDMI port to display your laptop screen and connect external devices. Its simple and compelling design, inspired by the iconic look, comes in 3 colors: space gray, silver and rose gold. Tuin's a wireless charger as well for the iPhone, iWatch and AirPods. And there's an optional 10,000 mAh power bank to charge all your gadgets and your laptop simultaneously. Replacing all your computer's gadgets, Tuin is delightfully compact and lightweight. Designed to make your life easier, Tuin is the perfect combination of great features and unbeatable value.
Meet WattSugar, the world's first all-in-one 60-watt charger made for every Apple product. WattSugar is small, compact, and made to go wherever you go. It's MFI certified so it can safely charge your Apple Watch, your AirPods, your iPad, your MacBook, or your smartphone at the same time through just one outlet. Did you forget to bring your Apple Watch charger? Don't worry about it. WattSugar charges it magnetically so it'll never fall off. And compatible with Generation 1 through 5 Apple Watches. Need to charge more than one device at one time? WattSugar charges up to 4 devices at the same time. Don't have access to outlets? WattSugar charges your smartphones as a wireless power bank. Don't ever worry about a lack of power again. WattSugar puts a stop to your cable clutter. It brings you one charger for every Apple device. WattSugar, sweet and small, all-in-one 60-watt USB-C charger.
How many times happened to you to put your mobile phone on charge before to go to sleep? And the day next, at middle day, its battery is under the threshold of the 50%. Until, when you least expect it, it decides to discharge. But why does the battery last so little if you charge it every night? Even when your phone is charged, the battery remains connected to the power supply, which, in the long-term run, shortens its life. How to prevent the battery from being worn, continuing to leave it on charge every night. Now, you don't have to think about it. Wheaty does. Wheaty connects to your charger, insert the charging cable into your phone, and press the button. From that moment, Wheaty comes into operation and takes care of your phone. When your battery reaches 100%, Wheaty stops the flow of charge and warns you with the LED off. Which are the benefits of Wheaty? Wheaty doubles the life of your battery. Wheaty avoids getting you to buy power bank or new batteries. And also, Wheaty contributes to the reduction of environmental pollution. Wheaty is small, is durable, handleable, and enjoyable to touch. Made in soft touch plastic, Wheaty has a cool and fresh design. It has been prototyped into La Sapienza Lab, University of Rome. If you want to preserve the battery of your phone, Wheaty is the device for you. And that's not all. Wheaty does not only work with mobile phones, but with any device with USB charging like tablets, e-cigarettes, smartwatches. Be a backer. Keep in power. Wheaty.
After testing countless power banks, we decided we had enough. So we set out to design a power bank that doesn't suck. Tau is a patented ultra-compact power bank, the size of a key fob. You can easily snap it on your keys, so it's always with you when you need it. Integrated connectors make Tau universally compatible, charging USB-C and both Apple and micro USB devices, thanks to our dual connector. With Tau, you can charge virtually every portable device. Thanks to a unique dock, you can be sure that Tau will always have juice when you need it. You can stick it on a wall or on your desk, so when you get back home, all you have to do is set down your keys, and Tau will start charging. You will always have a fully charged power bank with you, without even having to think about it. Tau is already manufacturing, so you won't have to wait for ages to receive it. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past 5 years, we have successfully delivered 5 campaigns to hundreds of thousands of backers. Back us today and get Tau at the lowest price it will ever be.